What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. And you know it's ChriSamz property tours for your property tours and updates. Alright, so guys, today we're making a quick stop at Chester Creek and we are at Westchester in Portmore. For those who don't know where this development is, we did about 2 driving videos to this development. You can go back on the channel and check out those videos. Alright, well, we're here today with a brand new update on the development. We're just going to give you a drone shot to show you where the construction is at the moment. I'm not able at this time to tell you if units are available. However, I'm hoping that the model units will be ready soon. So definitely in that video, I can tell you guys what is happening in terms of availability. But even so, and before then, remember to check out Wihcon's website and keep yourself up to date with the development. Alright, so these are townhouses, as you would have known from previous videos. But here, from what I'm seeing, a lot of work has been going on. So guys, remember to like this video. Remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comments. Remember, we're still on a journey, we're still trying to grow, and we definitely need and appreciate your support. So guess what, we're going to jump into this drone shot right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So guess what, I'll catch you on the other side of this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you did in fact appreciate this update. Just now, as you can see, that a lot has taken place since the last time we've been here. A lot has taken place. Alright, I'm still looking around because a lot has taken place. You understand what I'm saying? So guys, remember, if you are interested in one of these properties, whether it be Chester Creek, Oak Estate, Wim, whatever it is, you need to get yourself up to date with all the information. I might not be able to provide with everything on this channel. You need to follow the social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can check out their websites and keep yourself abreast of all the information that is out there. I'm thinking of doing something special for you guys, but when we get to that bridge, we will cross it in Jamaican terms. You know how it go. So thank you guys so much for stopping by one more time, and until next time guys, remember to like, subscribe, share and leave your comments, and we will catch you in another video. So it's peace out from ChriSamz.